Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do a tutorial twist out my first twist out video, so I'm excited. And I'll be using none other than Alikay Naturals. As some of you know, I went to the expo, so I was a representative for them and their brand. It was really exciting, so I decided to follow up with this video. So y'all should know the drill by now. I'm going to play my jams and we're gonna get straight into it. The first thing I'm gonna use is the lemongrass leave-in conditioner, and then I will follow up with the glazed argan oil on that same section and run it through. And then I'll go in with the Shea Yogurt Moisturizer, and after applying, I will then twist it up. And I'm just gonna go through and do this to my whole head. So normally I would let it air dry, but I do have somewhere to go. So I'm gonna go sit under the dryer and I'll be back. Hey y'all, so I'm back. I just sat under my hooded dryer because I do have some errands to run today. I have a few things to do, and I would not have had time to air dry or anything like that. So I'm going to begin. So I'm just going to take some of the glazed argan oil and run it through my strands. And I just pinned one section out of the way and began taking down my twist. And now I'm just going in to begin separating. Like I said, I'm definitely going to get frizz because my hair wasn't completely dry. So just make sure that your hair is dry when you're doing twist outs. And from this point, I'm just going to go in and begin picking at the root with my hair pick. And just kind of fix it to my liking. Can we just talk about the shine though? Definition. My hair is very moisturized. I love it, as you can see. But yeah, this is my twist out every time. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace and love until my next video.